AI has done it again, because we've officially reached the point where you can now, completely for free, transform yourself
Into any character to speak for you.
This is crazy because you now have real lip syncing with amazing facial expressions and full body movement. This means you can create absolutely crazy videos just like the one currently on the screen. But most of the videos explaining the Kling motion control tool show paid methods to use it. That's why today I'm going to show you a completely free method that allows you to create unlimited videos. First, go to the RoboNeo website. You will find its link in the description of this video. After registering on the site, click directly on the new project button and select workflow. You will find some images and prompts there. Delete them. Next, click the plus button and choose motion control. Upload the image you want to animate and also upload the video you want to extract the movement from. After that, put this prompt here, select Kling 2.6 and click Start. In just a few minutes, your video will be generated flawlessly and in the highest quality. This website gives you one free video per day for every Gmail account you register with, which means you can literally get an unlimited number of videos for free. However, you won't get a high quality video unless your original image is also of high quality. Watch this video if you want to know how to create a highly realistic AI generated image for free.